Hello guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Do you want to protect your hard work by ensuring your Wix website is backed up regularly? In this tutorial, we will explore the methods and possible extensions for creating backups of your site, safeguarding your content against unexpected issues or changes. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, the first thing guys that I will need you to do is to open wix.com. Right after that, click on get started and log in to your account. So there we go. Now I'm gonna log into my account by signing in using Gmail, and once I am inside of the account, I'm going to go straight to my website that I want to start working on, and then that I want to create backup for it regularly. So let's go here to start tutorial, for example this one I have, and let's click on select and edit site. Once I have opened it, you will have this page as you can see right over here. Now to make backup, you can simply go right here and search for backup. So here you can go and you can find the site history. You might find it also by going to settings, and you can find here also the site history. So you can go to the website settings and you will be able to find it there. Let's go to the site history from here. So site history, let me just history. There we go. And once you will open it, you will find the whole history of your site. For example, here, as you can see, I have here the site history and I have here show. They are giving me here all the revisions. They published, they saved, and the start. Now, since I didn't edit this website that much, I don't have many content on it, I don't have anything. That is why I don't have any history going on in this website. As you can see, nothing has been changed in the main template that Wix will give you. That is why only the first history, which is basically the website creation, is the thing that has been shown in front of us. But let's say, for example, I went to my Wix account and I have edited the site. Let's go and do that. So I'm going back here, selecting edit site, and what I'm going to do now is basically design the site. And I'm going to change something. It can be a title, menu, add an image, whatever. Let's add it right here. So let's wait for it to load. And I'm going to add it inside of this template. So I'm going to add here a section. And once I have added a new section, I'm just going to add like an about form. For example, it's going to be this one. And as you can see, here it is. I'm going to click on publish or save, whatever you want. Let's click on save and continue. And as you can see, it has been saved. Now, this version of the site will be in the site history. Sometimes you will have to give it a little bit of time so it can actually load in the site history. Let's check it together. So by going to site history again, I'm going to go right here. And as you can see, I have already here a second version. So we have here site editor and we have the newest version, which is the one that we have just created. So the backup now, if you want to go to the previous thing that we have created, basically you just have to go here, view, and once you view it, you will have the restore blue button, which you can click on it and it will allow you to restore every data that you have in this version. Just notice that the data in the newest version will be deleted if you went backward. This is something important that you should notice. So, from this explanation that I have done, what are the tools that we have to do, or how can we ensure that our backup is there? Well, first of all, this is something that is automatically done, but I will explain it to you so you can understand the whole process. Once you go to design your site, let's go for example here, and you want something to add on your template. So for example, as I said, I have added like a section. You could add an image, you could add a text, change something. Well, this effect that you have done, such as adding a new section, for example, will not be shown to people or saved or drafted as long as you didn't do so. For example, here I'm gonna add this, and let's say for example I will just quit. This is basically draft. So if I quit like that and I went to the site history, I should leave a page open for site history so I don't keep swapping between tabs again. But yeah, if I went back to the site history, as you can see guys, nothing is in here. So how can we ensure that we will always have a backup right here? So this thing that you have to do is every time you change, you add or you remove something from your site, you click on save. Now, even if you didn't click on save, the things that you have done inside of your website are not going to be completely saved unless or shown to people. So they are going to be something like that drafted. So make sure that you click on here on save so it can be auto save off and on. Use this shortcut. So this is like auto save is on. So to turn auto save off and on, you have to click on Control Alt A. Let's click on Control Alt A, and now the auto save is off. So make sure that you have guys always auto save on, and also make sure that once you are done editing, building your site, removing things, adding things, you are clicking on save. That's how you can keep up with the backups that you have created, with the newest thing that you have in your site, and once someday you made an error or fault or damaged your site, you will be always having this backup in your site history. And guys, the site history is unlimited, so you could have it all in there from the day you started your website till the current day that you have changed anything in your site. So this is basically it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any more questions about the backup system or anything about Wix, you can leave a question down below in the comment section. So that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.